Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2021. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has notified the Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2021. These rules prohibit specific single-use plastic items which have low utility and high littering potential by 2022. Now let's understand about the new amendment rules. The manufacture, import, stocking, distribution, sale and use of the identified single-use plastic will be prohibited with effect from the 1st July 2022. The ban will not apply to commodities made of compostable plastic. For banning other plastic commodities in the future, other than those that have been listed in this notification, the government has given industry 10 years from the date of the notification for compliance. The permitted thickness of the plastic bags, currently 50 microns, will be increased to 75 microns from 30th September 2021 and to 120 microns from the 31st December 2022. Plastic bags with higher thickness are more easily handled as waste and have higher recyclability. Implementing agency. The Central Pollution Control Board, along with state pollution bodies, will monitor the ban, identify violations, and impose penalties already prescribed under the Environmental Protection Act 1986. Now let's understand what is the single-use plastics and reasons for the ban. Single-use plastics or disposable plastics are used only once before they are thrown away or recycled. Plastic is so cheap and convenient that it has replaced all other materials from the packaging industry, but it takes hundreds of years to disintegrate. If we look at the data, out of 9.46 million tons of plastic waste generated every year in our country, 43% is single-use plastic. Further, petroleum-based plastic is non-biodegradable and usually goes into a landfill where it is buried or it gets into the water and finds its way into the ocean. In the process of breaking down, it releases toxic chemicals, additives that were used to shape and harden the plastic, which make their way into our food and water supply. According to the World Wildlife Fund, that is WWF, plastic is harmful to the environment as it is non-biodegradable and takes years to disintegrate. Also, waste plastic bags are polluting the land and water immensely. Pollution due to single-use plastic items has become an important environmental challenge confronting all countries. India is committed to mitigating pollution caused by littered single-use plastics. At the 4th United Nations Environment Assembly in 2019, India piloted a resolution on addressing single-use plastic products pollution. The Prime Minister of India was also conferred the Champions of the Earth Award by the United Nations Environment Programme, that is UNEP, in 2018 for pledging to eliminate all single-use plastic by 2022. Now moving on to other initiatives to curb plastic waste. Some other initiatives to curb plastic waste are as follows: Swachh Bharat Mission, India Plastics Pact, Project Replan, Unplastic Collective, Go Litter Partnerships Project, and Beat Plastic Pollution to eliminate single-use plastic by 2022. Now lastly, the question for the practice. Consider the following statements regarding single-use plastic. 1. Single-use plastics or disposable plastics are used only once before they are thrown away or recycled. 2. Plastic is so cheap and convenient that it has replaced all other materials from the packaging industry, and it takes hundreds of years to disintegrate. 3. The single-use plastic products prevent the spread of infection. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.